Here we have a very user-friendly throttle. You simply have to push with the thumb, leaving the other fingers free to control the paraglider, and the kill switch that is hard to hit by accident that can be simply pushed against part of the frame in flight to kill it. Very, very user-friendly, and cruise control as well. The Synergy 7 has a great weight shift system, actually double. It is to allow the pilot to steer more efficiently in case a pilot desires to ride thermals or for any reason like the weight shift to compensate for the torque, as well as a forward and backward weight shift system that basically, when the glider is inflated and start to accelerate, the pilot standing will increase with this feature the leverage and basically feel like the paramotor is not on his shoulders, allowing clean and graceful takeoffs. Now this feature also, after launching and getting airborne, the pilot will have a much easier time sitting back because of this feature, reducing the leverage once airborne. Refueling the Synergy is especially simple with this clever system. Simply open the cap, remove the cap, insert the hose, and turn on the pump. Very simple refueling system, no mess. Synergy 7 has a clever harness attachment system that allows the pilot to comfortably support the weight of the paramotor on his shoulders, having the shoulder strap going down to the bottom of the frame, and is fully adjustable, as well as the second strap that comes from the lower part of the sitting area and adjustable to allow the pilot to set the height of the frame relative to his shoulders in flight, as well as adjusting it asymmetrically to counteract the torque. Synergy 7 has different features to counteract the torque of the engine with asymmetric spacers, as well as harness attachments from right to left or left to right, depending on the rotation direction of the propeller, as well as other features, the way the harness is strapped onto the frame. Plate is designed to fit multiple engines, including Polini, EOS, Vittorazzi's, and many more. Synergy 7 has telescopic poles to hold the actual hoop, allowing a pilot to use propellers of different length for up to 51 inches in diameter, which improves the performance greatly. Very clean design with less parts and very, very well engineered. The fuel containment is different on the Synergy systems with a bladder that is well hidden inside the frame. Easy to monitor the fuel level in flight by simply touching the bladder, and there is zero chance of an impact with the propeller if a pilot has a bad landing or takeoff. To install the starter handle, simply have to remove the middle black tube from the telescopic poles and insert the rope that holds the pulley, and then reassemble to allow the pilot to pull the start in flight or on the ground if necessary. Another nice aspect of the Synergy 7 is all the buckles are hidden inside the frame. The straps, everything disappears behind the pilot. The Synergy 7 has now HDPE feet. Basically, it can absorb and flex instead of breaking or bending. Other interesting feature is the way the cage is mounted on the frame. Basically is locked in by telescopic features and expansion inside to lock it in. And if by any chance a pilot was to have a bad landing and fall on this side, it would tend to break right here, and simply have to remove it and break off the little piece that is cracked, throw it away, flip this 180 degrees, put it back into this plastic protector and slide it back in, and it's ready to fly right away. No need to order parts.